Hello everyone, welcome back to the Review Pro. In today's videos, we are going to check out the top 5 best coconut oil in 2019. To see the price and more information about these coconut oil, please check out the links down in the description. Okay, so let's dig in the videos. Starting at number 5, we have the Anjou Coconut Oil. This coconut oil is ideal for any user, so other than the fact that you can use it on your hair and skin to nourish and moisturize, you can also use it as part of your diet. Being rich in MCTs, the oil has plenty it can do for your cardiovascular health. You are also welcome to use this particular coconut oil product for your cooking. It is a good way to cut down on the unhealthy fats in your diet. You should also know that the oil is 100% natural and it is made using a safe process and without the use of GMO coconut. Moving on at number 4, we have the Healthworks Coconut Oil. This coconut oil is appropriate for eating and still recommended as a skincare product. It even has a medicinal role as it can help promote oral hygiene. The cosmetic uses of this oil can be experienced when used on the skin, hair and so forth. You can even use it as a scrub. The oil is processed using the cold press process, which is safe and reliable in producing high quality products. Check out the description for more information about these product and latest price. At number 3, we have the COCO CO Coconut Oil. This oil is made mainly as a beauty product. The product quality is commendable since this is high quality or extra virgin coconut oil, which can be used on the hair and the skin and even consumed. Although many coconut oil variants exist, all designed for beauty, this particular tub stands out for its great results. Some of the reasons include the fact that it will not leave behind a greasy texture, a foul smell, or take ages to be absorbed into the areas where it is applied. Even then, this oil can still be used for cooking and consumed orally to offer many coconut oil health benefits. The special manufacturing process used on this product ensures that it can fill this dual role brilliantly. At number 2, we have the Nutiva Organic Coconut Oil. This is one of the best-selling coconut oil brands in the US, having been in the market for about a decade. This product is very pure. In fact, it has been certified as organic and no GMO. Additionally, this virgin coconut oil also contains no cholesterol and is not hydrogenated. It is even safe for people who need it for kosher uses. All these benefits are increased by the fact that the oil is made from cold pressing fresh coconuts, which give the product a fresh and pleasant coconut aroma and taste. Lastly, at number 1, we have the Viva Naturals Coconut Oil. As the most favorite coconut oil in the market, you can bet that this Viva Naturals product has plenty to offer. It can be used for both cosmetic and cooking purposes, and although there are quite a number of options that offer a similar user experience, this product stands out in many ways. One of these is that it is cold pressed in order to preserve all the nutritional benefits of coconut oil, such as the presence of MCTs and the natural aroma of coconut. And because this oil does this better than any other brand in the market, users can expect superior quality skin and hair care benefits and truly nutritional cooking oil. And as a fungus fighter, this oil is also worth a spot in your medicine. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.